Here we have American Iron's ball joint deletes for the Ram HD trucks. You may have seen these recently on Facebook groups or on forums. They've been gaining a bit of popularity. I think a lot of it's due to the name. These ball joint deletes still actually function as a ball joint in that they hold the knuckle in place on the truck. That said, they've taken a very different approach to the overall design. And so what you'll find is the inner pin actually rotates on a Teflon bearing. Essentially what this looks like internally is much like an FK Heim joint, and that the entire thing is rotating on a Teflon bearing design. These are still very heavy duty joints for these trucks. They are not adjustable like some of the other options on the market, but they are rebuildable in place. So over time, if the joint begins to wear out, rather than having to press the joint out of the truck, you have the option to actually replace the inner race on the inner Teflon race on these and actually get back on the road without having to take the ball joints out of the truck. So very cool design here. Now taking a look at these here, you'll get a look at the design. This is lower here. What this has is a 3D printed cap. Taking that off, you can kind of get an idea of how these ball joints actually work. Looks much like an FK Heim rod end right there. Looking at that, we also have the upper ball joint. You can get a look at the seal here, just kind of slides on right there. And again, close look at how these things work. It is essentially a quick removal of the snap ring here to go ahead and replace the bearing and rebuild this joint. So serviceability wise, these are a very cool option, and I'd say easily one of the more unique options on the market for these Ram trucks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are cross-shipping this with other options, we actually have another video we put together on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out. Kind of goes over the various options on the market. If there are any questions you feel we didn't answer with this video, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to answer any and all questions you might have to help get you the best ball joint option for your truck.